Hey, can you put that back on your hand? Put that back on your hand for me and go Hills. Please. I want to send this to somebody. Go Hills. Say go Hills, Addie. Who do we want to win? Yay! Give your doggy a hug. Aww.
Bradley just texted me and told me to get in the tub.
Leave the doggy alone.
Here's your song. Get your finger and dance with your finger. Not the dog.
Poor dog. That poor dog.
Addie. Go Tar Heels.
Go Tar Heels.
Go Tar Heels.
That poor dog.
Are you gonna go outside and play with them?